Hello, this is my third video. We have here seedling tray. What we're going today is to propagate eggplant. Eggplant is one of my favorite vegetables, so I love to plant this. By and by, I will show to you my already grown eggplants. As of now, we're going to do the steps on how to plant eggplant. Okay, so we have here the seedling tray with the soil mix. You have to poke a little bit hole, put the seed, and cover. Put the seed, cover just about 2 to 3 centimeters deep. Do not push hard because the seeds might get very deep inside. Okay. I just plan to plant 10 eggplants because I do not have enough space or place to plant. My garden is already crowded. Okay, so it's already the 10th seeds. Now, we are going to spray. I use this sprayer because it will not splash away the seeds. If you are going to use deeper, okay, the soil might be disturbed and the seeds will come out of the seed tray. So it's very safe to use this sprayer. Okay, it's important to always wet the soil in order for the seeds to easily sprout. After a month, I have here a sample of what will be the eggplant be. Okay, so this is already a month. So, it's now ready to be transplanted. Okay, I will get here one as a sample. I do not have enough space to plant eggplants because my garden is already crowded. So, I have here pots. I'm going to plant in this pot. Why not on the ground? The soil is always wet and the plants are drowning, especially during this rainy season. The area here is flooding, so it is safe to use this pot. Okay, only one plant per pot. And then, why I give space to this pot, I do not fill it with soil, just like this, because it will be very hard for watering. Okay, for example, if you fill the pot with soil, the water will come out and will not absorb right away down the pot. Okay, so it's better to have space for the water to stay for a while before it will be absorbed going down. Okay, so that we will not waste water. And then I am doing always the mulching. What is mulching? I am putting here mulching material which is made of rice hull and with a combination of carbonized rice hull, the blackish type. Why I am using this? Why I am doing mulching? Because During very hot days, the soil will get very hot and may damage the roots of the plant. But if we have here the mulching, this will protect the soil from getting very hot, and then also it will retain moisture and will keep the soil hydrated. Okay, I have also here which need to be mulched. We will do the mulching. You can also use dried leaves or dried hay, dried grass. As what I've said, I am using pot because the area here is flooding. If it's flooding, the soil will rot and the plant will die. Everything will just become a waste. Okay, so I have already here just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pots for eggplant. Okay, we will go to my full-grown eggplant. But as of now, we are passing here with my plant's string beans. This is color violet. It's very crispy when cooked and very sweet. I have also here water spinach or kangkong. My friends are coming back here to get some of this. They will make it on our term apan-apan. Okay, so we'll go to my eggplant. This is my garden soil supply. Here is my eggplant. Okay, as of now, I have only 2 eggplant flourishing. So you can determine if the eggplant is healthy is when the skin is very shiny and without any holes eaten by the insects. Here is my another eggplant. It almost become a tree because it's standing tall with so many fruits or vegetable. Okay, take a look at this. We will count the numbers of eggplant in this only one plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, so many. There are 15 eggplants. So I think what made this eggplant to grow or to bear more is because I tie it to mulberry tree in order to support the stems, because if I will not going to tie it, it will bend to the ground just like this, and maybe the stem will broke and will not produce any more good fruits. So there are so many eggplants, but it is not dying. It's because I tie the end in order to support for the eggplants not to bend. Okay, so this is my own discovery, because before I am just letting my eggplant to grow, and then time comes, the fruits or the eggplants became heavy and the stem cannot contain anymore. So what happened is the stem broke. The stem broke. Instead of that stem producing more, it broke, and everything just a waste. Okay, so I hope you have learned something. I'm sorry, I'm not rehearsing what I'm going to say. It's just like it's live. I do not have script, and I do not know how to edit videos. Maybe I will know it someday, but I'm I am not ano ni natamad ko mag-edit. Natamad man ko sa ulo sang ihambal. So everything what I am saying is just natural, and I know it's not quite good, but as of now it's what I can do first. It's better to be this than nothing, because I should have made my vlog a year ago, but I do not have the confidence and I am a little bit busy. So if this is what only I can achieve, I think I should be thankful already. I know, I believe someday I will be a good narrator if I am going to rehearse first. But as of now, this is just for this. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my eggplants. Now, you plant on your respective home and you will get unlimited vegetables. Thank you very much. Bye.